Uh-huh.
Okay, can I open it?
Miguel?
What I get for Christmas? Oh, she wants for Christmas.
Better open it.
Turn it over. Oh my god! You're welcome. Is that the greatest gift ever?
I know. Thank you guys for knowing this.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank.
Go give Daddy a big hug.
I appreciate.
Oh, you appreciate it? Oh, you're welcome.
Mommy,
Go kiss mommy too.
mommy.
Oh, I'm glad you like
Levi,
it.
open the
Levi,
red one. Open
there's
the red
one more
over
from
there.
us.
Can I open it? No, one more.
Wait,
Wait.
we gotta open all our gifts first.